How to change the display name of your Reddit account. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, if you have the Reddit app installed, you can head over to that. If not, you can go to your preferred web browser. On your browser, tap on the search bar and search for Reddit and navigate to its website. After you're in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to change your display name of your profile, you need to go to your account settings. Here in this home page, in the top right corner, you can see your profile icon. Tap on this. Select this view profile option in the top. Once you're in your profile over here, tap on the plus icon in your profile picture. It'll take you to your profile settings. Here in this general section, at the top, you can see the display name option. Tap on it. From here, you can edit your display name. Tap on this field. Type in your preferred display name. Once you are done, tap on the save button. And there you go. That's how you can easily change your display name in Reddit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.